To power off your Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, I'm going to show you a few different ways. So first thing is to swipe down but from the top right corner of the screen, then you can find the power switch right here. If you click on it, you'll be able to power off your device. You don't need to press on any of the buttons to do it. Alternatively, we can go inside the settings and enter advanced features. That way we can see side button. And here you can go for a long press and make sure that power off menu is selected instead of any of the assistants. That way, if you hold your power button, you'll be able to power it off your phone. You can also use assistant and power off your phone using those buttons, but to do this, enter how to power off your phone, and then you need to click on the volume down button and power button at the same time. So click on those two buttons together, hold them for a couple of seconds, and then you can power off your phone. And you can also ask your assistant to turn off your phone. That way it should shut it down. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.